Hey there, I wanted to show off a new album cover option we have. This is a rose gold metallic. They also offer a bronze metallic, a regular gold metallic, and then a silver metallic. So this is the rose gold color. I'm not sure what color it looks like on your screen, but it is like a real rose gold color and it's gorgeous. And then this is actually a sample album of some Bowling Green weddings I did. So I have 3 weddings on here. So what I did for the cover was put one image from each wedding on the cover instead of just one image that most people do. All right, so here's the first wedding. This was actually just last year. Bright, sunshiny day. Actually, all 3 of these weddings were pretty bright and sunshiny. They actually got married at a different location, so they had their reception here at the north location of Bowling Green. So I just put the Bowling Green stuff in here. Yeah, cool reception photos. And then we go to the next wedding. Like I said, this is just a sample album, so it's not like a real album where we would have a bunch of pictures that would tell a story. It's just kind of a selection. So this is the next wedding, and this is, I love this little sequence right here of the groom seeing his bride, because you hardly ever see grooms giving that reaction, so it's really nice when they do. Take note, fellas. We had a gorgeous day. And gorgeous skies. You can't see the sunset from this location. They actually got married and had their reception at the south location. And both locations you can't see the actual sun setting, but you still get beautiful skies there. So I love those. And then the next wedding, nice and colorful. They were a cool couple. I love those. Oh yeah, little hand symbol. But like all my other albums, if you haven't seen them already, the wedding albums are printed on an actual photographic piece of paper. So these are actual photographs. You see how close I can get. There we go. And you can see the texture of the picture up here. And it's actually sprayed with the UV coating, so it's not going to fade on you. And they're mounted on a nice thick board. And I loved all the color, the uplating they had for their wedding. Really added something there. So let's see. So the back pages, the back and the front, you can have them white or you can have them black. Most people choose white now. It's a nice, each cover is made specifically for the book, so they're not pre-cut covers. And so these are being offered for our wedding albums and also boudoir albums. So definitely get in touch if you'd like to see one in person. Thanks, bye.